There's a whole controversy in the motorcycle community about how to maintain a bike. Can you do it yourself, or do I have to always take it to a mechanic? And on one of the topics, we're going to talk about chains and sprockets. So in today's video, obviously I've been asked by a few of my friends that why does my bike keep cutting off the power when I put the throttle down? I've changed my clutch, I've changed everything, but I just can't seem to figure out why the power keeps cutting. It's almost like as if the rear wheels are spinning up. So obviously the main issue here from my knowledge is obviously a worn out rear sprocket. If your rear sprockets are worn out, they are most likely the whole chain set is worn out, so including the front sprocket, the rear sprocket and the chain. And obviously after that, if your chain is rattling against the swing arm, the issue could be one of these, literally like a 10-20 pound accessory. Obviously, yeah, I got this for almost like £5. So this is called a chain slider. We're gonna get into the video on how you can fit one of these on. And obviously if you'd want to check on how to fit a sprocket, I'll put a link down on a more simple video for you guys, because mine are already fitted on. All I've got left to do now is fit these bad boys on. Before you start any job, make sure you got everything that you need. So let's get started with this video. Obviously I've got a new sprocket and a chain. As you can see, it's been eating on my swing arm and it makes a big noise. I can see this point here. This is where my previous slider was attached to, but obviously because it's been running for so long, I'm guessing it's ate the slider and the slider's basically disappeared somewhere. And to fix this, we're gonna have to get into this area here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this up and then we're gonna fit on our new slider, and hopefully everything goes well. So obviously we've come with a technical difficulty. We've not got the necessary bolts to open the wrench or the spanner to open these certain bolts. So I'm just going to try and figure out how I can take these top screws off first. As you can see here, because the chain has been wearing along this screw for so long, it's literally wore it off, so there's no points where I could screw it. So obviously we're gonna have to improvise, see if we could get another bolt to replace this, because this just might not work and the O-rings are really worn out on this thing. So let's just see what we can do over here. I took the front sprocket cover off, so it'll make it a lot more easier to shove this in, just like that.
Bend it.
And we're going to pull it out on this end, which is a tight fit. The only thing we do not have is a nut for that, but I don't think that will be necessary. What we have to do is just screw the bolt in here and then we're good. We fitted it through, so we put it in. We bolted it up. Obviously this was shredded. Somehow I got it to work out. So they're in now and there's no noise here, and we've also bolted the cover back on. And that is the end of today's video. If you found this video really helpful and it helped solve your problem, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new. I will catch you guys on the next ride. Peace.